Cebu Breaks for Fun. So thank you again for joining the break in box break number 32. So time check is 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. That is Philippine Standard Time. So June 20. So June 20, 2014 of BUST. So let's start the break. The names. These are the list of names. Okay. So no trades happen. Okay, let's start with box break number 32. So Panini basketball, BB number 32. So okay, serial number. Start. Let's do this quickly. So so box is empty. Start with Panini. So I will just read the names. No, read the Phoenix Suns by Ian Usta. Okay. So base. Insert is Kobe Bryant and base. Next pack. Musta ba eh? Sa'yo ko nag-start ron kay para sa'yo mo man. Okay, next pack. Okay, so base, gold, Deng. I think insert siguro. Then Vince Carter base. Then insert is Drake Rose, Night School. 36 packs. Carmelo na lang imo ha. Okay. Base. Base. Insert Chandler Parsons. Base. Okay, base. Then insert is Glenn Davis refractor. Not okay. Base. Paul Pierce. Then gold Blake Griffin. And base. LeBron James base. And base. Insert top 10. And base. May hilak bata. Okay. Auto. Mojo, please. Base. Insert MCW for the 6 years. Base. So many days. Okay. Wala dula ug mo yan. Kobe Bryant. Base. All base. Wala dula ka to ugma. Base dito tanan no. Base. Okay. Base. Bungol gud. Dito mo na og secret heart ugma. Sunod na lang. Ito, base. base, mostly base. Ray Allen, base, base. Insert, bird's eye view, they're crows, base, base. When naman it's a 50. Oh, yeah. Next time. Base, base. Blake Griffin, also another gold. And base, base. Bynum base. Bynum? 76 years? Cleveland. Base. Corey, insert. Base, base. Base, base. Base, base. Base, base, base. Insert. John Wall. Base, base. Mojo, please. So, Terrence Jones, base, base. And base, base. Jared Smith, base, base. Then Andrew Bynum, gold. And base, base. Where is the mojo? Base, 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 base. Base, base. Night School. Victor Oladipo, base, base. Base, base, base. Base, 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 base. Insert is Monta Ellis, base, MCW. Where is the auto? Base, 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 base. Then Clay Thompson, base. Parker, base, base. Night School, Rondo, base, base. No auto yet. So base, 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 and base, 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 base. Bird's eye view, Blake Griffin, base, base. Base, 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 base. Base, base, base. Wait. Base, 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 base. Night School, Blake Griffin, base, base. Base, 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 base. Dwayne Wade, base. So Shumpert, base, base, base. Night School, PG24, base, base. No auto yet. Where is the auto? Base, 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 base. For the first auto is Jared Jeffries for the Wizards. Boo. Yeah. Base, base. Jared Jeffries. So Jared Jeffries first auto. Okay. Base, Timbangan base, base, Parsons Review base. So Hawks, this will be raffle between the Hawks and the New Orleans. So randomize 7 times later. So base. Base. Insert Night School and base. Patch like jersey wala pa. Melo patch 1 of 1. Base. Evan Turner for the 6 years. Base. So Omari base. For the Blazers. CJ McCollum. 2 autos? Sure? 2 autos eh. Okay. Second auto. CJ McCollum. For the Blazers. Not numbered. Then base. 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 Night School. Base. Last pack. Larry Sanders, Calderon, base. Jumeo. Insert is Nate Walters. Then base. So many base. Okay. So recap: CJ McCollum, Otto, and Jared Jeffries. So insert. Okay. And start innovation. Okay, so BB number 32. Serial is okay. Innovation 1213. Okay, so Kobe Pack will go to the Lakers. So this will be for the Lakers. Box is empty. Wait, so Kobe Pack will go to the Lakers. BB number 32. Date is 6/20/14. So this will go to the Lakers. Kobe Pack. Okay, innovation. 1 pack. I see blue. New York Knicks. Okay. Nene for the Wizards. Base. Nate Archibald. Base. For the Thunder, Westbrook, number 2349. Russell Westbrook. Number 2, 349. Then number glass is for the Nets. Deron Williams. Not numbered. Not numbered. Yep, not numbered. Then first auto is Antoine Walker for the Celtics. Not numbered. Then redemption. That is for, I will check later. Mirza Pilitovic. No idea which team he belongs, so I'll check later. Mirza Pilitovic. Rookie Inc. Then for the Knicks, Ian, Jason Kidd. Not numbered. Then also for New York Knicks, Chris Copeland. Number 2349. 58 of 349. No idea, Teletovic. Okay, so Crusade. Start with Crusade. Serial number. Asang serial number? Serial number. Okay. Teletovic. Lagi familiar ba Teletovic? Asang katungod ba na? Kaya siya apelido, Teletavis, Teletovic. So hits. Okay, Crusades. First time. 13-14 Crusade. 5 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pack. Empty. Empty, empty. Okay. Crusade. Crusade. Oh no. Brooklyn. Okay. For the Nets. Nets na siya. So, Teletovic Nets. Okay, so Teletovic is Nets. Crusades! Woo! Refractors man. Muna siyang Crusade, no? Crusade base. I see green. For the Hornets, Glenn Rice. Blue, Zach Randolph. Blue. Hindot ang design, baga ang card. Smooth ang kan. Then, LaMarcus Aldridge. Number 2, 249 for the Blazers. 249. Nice. Nice. Nice ang card. Then, Decoy. Then, Deron Williams. Saan siyang card? Deron Williams. Ano siya? Knights. Then, Ben McLemore. Base? I think this morning base. Base card. Second pack. So far, ang card sa Crusade is much better. Ben McLemore. I think base ni sa Crusade. Then Larry Johnson, blue. Omer Asik, blue. Red is Kyrie Irving. Number 2349. So 249 ang blue. Oh, I think green. Then, uy, nice. David Robinson for the Spurs. West. That is number 249. Muna lang gigi 50. Number 249. David Robinson for the Spurs. 2014 champions. Then base is Royalty, Kobe, and Carlos Boozer. I think insert niya siya, Royalty. Um, Ewing, blue. John Liver, blue. Shabazz Muhammad, red. Red is number 2349. 349. Then decoy card. Bradley Beal, base. Then Jerry Lucas, base. Mga Peter Griffin ang yung kon. Um, blue is Middleton and Ben McLemore for the Kings. Kobe, saan yung color? Number 2249 for the Lakers. Uh, then Spencer Hawes and Sergi Carcer. Tignan eh. Gold! Did I? Gold ba niya? Die cut for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Anderson Barjal. Number 299. Nice. Die cut. I think gold. No idea. And Jimmy Butler blue. And Samuel Dalimbert red. Decoy card. Then Westbrook base. Then Derrick Rose night court. Not numbered. Last pack. Marcus Morris blue. Al Farouk Aminu blue. Kevin McHale red. Then auto is Gorgoy Dieng for the Wolves, the Wolves. Apprentice. Some no idea. Clyde Drexler for Clyde Drexler. Okay, so next box. 1314 Crusade and serial number. Okay, so BB number 32. Lord, no? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pack. So empty. Start. Royalty. Crusade. I think so far more worth it ang box sa Crusade. So blue, Dennis Rodman. Dennis Rodman to? Yeah, Dennis Rodman in Pistons uniform. So Cleveland, Lul Deng, then Bismack Biyombo, number 249, short printed, 249. Then decoy card. Then for Tiwo Dallas is Detlef Schrempf. Then Rudy Gay. Um, Shaba, no. Saan siya? Brandon Bass, blue. Nick Van Exel, blue. Nag-Nuggets is Nick Van Exel. Then Alan Houston for the New York Knicks, number 2249. Then Jeremy Lin, base. Then Luigi Datome, base. Sa mga player. Um, Gold die cuts for the New York Knicks, J.R. Smith, number 299. Grabe iyan eh. Then for the Nets, Drazen Petrovic. Then purple, Andrew Bynum for the Cleveland, number 249. Then decoy card, DeMar DeRozan and Carmelo Anthony for the royalty insert. Why Pacers? I think no Pacers. Then wait, Anton Jamison blue, Evan Turner. Then gold, second gold, third die cut, Brandon Bass, number 299 for the Celtics. Then Otto Porter. Otto Porter. Number 225. Nice. For the Wizards. Otto Porter. Not on card. Sticker Otto. Number 225. By no Pacers? Cleveland. Indiana Pacers. Ito, no? Okay. So, Andrew Bynum is in Pacers uniform. Thank you, bye. Lipat ko to da. Then, Larry Johnson. Please. Okay. Vince Carter, blue. Chris Paul, blue. Red is Amari Stoudemire, number 2, 349. Amari for the Knicks. Grabe Knicks. Then decoy card. Then Victor Oladipo and Karen Butler. Last pack. Nindot mag-kusida. Paul Millsap, blue. Ines Kanter, blue. Red is Bob Lanier for the Detroit, number 2349. Then for the Pacers, Luis Cola, Majestic, number 2299. Luis Cola. Then Nobility, Tim Duncan, nice insert. And Kimba Walker for the base. Okay, base. So thank you for your continued support and see you again in the next break. I will post the hitless teams around 8 siguro. I'll post na later what time. Then we'll also post the pictures of the hits. Then yeah, these two will be randomized between the Hawks and the Pelicans. Family business. Okay, so see you in the next break, and thank you for your continued support, and God bless to all. Peace.